Hey guys, I am going to do a very mini teach on how to set up a system of equations. It's what we've been working on and it's what you're going to have a quiz on today. Or if you're watching this on the internet, your quiz is tomorrow. Now, you got some homework. This is your homework sheet. First problem says, Miss Martinez likes to reward her students, so she purchased 2 kinds of candy for a math game. She can't remember how many of each she purchased, but she does remember that the Blow Pops cost 50 cents each and the Snickers cost 60 cents each. She purchased a total of 30 pieces of candy for $16.80. How many Blow Pops did she buy? Now, first of all, you have to remember your rubies. R stands for read, which we just did. U stands for underline, and here we go, we're going to underline. We're underlining our numbers. There's 2 kinds of candy. Skimming through 50 cents, and then 60 cents, and then there is $16.80. Next we have B for bracket and brace. I'm just going to write bracket. So we're bracket and bracing our math words. I'm looking at where my numbers are. First of all, she purchased 2 kinds of candy. I don't see any math words in there, so I'm going to go on to the second sentence. She can't remember how many of each she purchased, but she does remember that the Blow Pops cost 50 cents each. There's a math word. That 50 cents goes with Blow Pops. And here's another math word. Snickers cost 60 cents each. There's another math word. It's each, and it goes with the Snickers for 60 cents. Now I'm going to write what those mean. Each means I'm going to multiply. This means I'm going to plus. I should change colors. Multiply. And means I'm going to add. And there we go again, multiply. Pause for a second. And remember our standard form, which is AX plus BY equals C. And slope-intercept form, which we're not going to need, but Y equals MX plus B. Now, fast forward. We just bracketed and braced. We also have some, there's another number. 30 pieces of candy for $16.80. Okay? Now, next is identify your variables. We got 2 kinds of candy. You have Blow Pops and you have Snickers. Those are our variables. Blow Pops and Snickers. Now, it's not just Blow Pops, but how many Blow Pops, which is the number of Blow Pops, and how many Snickers, which is the number of Snickers. But for time's sake, I'm not going to write that in. So my X is Blow Pops, my Y is Snickers. I'm going to go back to my standard form, AX plus BY equals C. Keep in mind that the X is with the A, that the Y is with the B, and then that C is your total, okay? R-U-B-I-E stands for equation, and we are going to write our equation. S stands for solve, but we're going to keep that for next week, okay? So now we're going to write our equations. Equation number 1, and remember AX plus BY. So the cost that is attached, because of that each, to the Blow Pops is 50 cents. So Blow Pops which is x, 50 cents, is our A. No pause. X. The and means that I'm going to add. And the cost that is attached to the Snickers for that each is 60 cents, so 0.60 and y. And it all equals $16.80. So 16.80. That's our first equation. Second of all, she purchased a total of 30 pieces of candy. So our Blow Pops, which is our x, plus our Snickers, which is our y. Let me back up. The number of our Blow Pops plus the number of our Snickers is going to equal 30 total pieces of candy. And that is how you write. First, you define your variables, and then you write equations, and that's your first two steps to solving a system. Your quiz is over writing your equations and defining your variables. See ya.